Hi guys, we're gonna do a video with my birds, okay? Come on, we're gonna go now. Okay. So there's my birds. What? So there they are. That one's eating. As you can see, that one's just staying up. Let's go get it. She is over here. Wow. Good girl. Come on. Okay, let's see it. Wow, she just came up. They did a lot of bird droppings. This is what the cage looks like. Oh, just like that. She just go to sleep. She's I think no, she's not all fluffed up, or maybe she. Yep, that one right there. Yeah, something's wrong with him. Yeah. Something is wrong with him. Let's just see what he needs. We bought him this toy right here. This toy, but he doesn't really use it. Not that good. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Okay, she's going to sleep. They're both trying to go to sleep. So I might end the video here. Okay, just like... You're gonna go to sleep. I hear them.
You want to go to sleep, birdies?
Yep, so around like 30 more seconds, then we'll finish the video. He's gonna try to put his hand.
He's good. I'm fighting. Go.
No, I'm fine. There they are. They're just sitting there, relaxing. Yeah. Yeah, I think we'll probably go down. Okay, we're gonna end the video here, guys, because I don't know. I gotta end the video here because they're probably gonna go to sleep. So I'm probably gonna go put a blanket on top of them right now. But bye, guys. See you in the next video.